Hello and welcome. I hope you're all doing well. I am going to be attempting to put on some false lashes. Now, as you can see, I have got some false lashes on here. I started it yesterday, but then I got a little impatient and stopped. I had a look on YouTube and I found another technique using lashes. Now, what you have to do is you have to cut these lashes up and then place them on your eyes separately. Now, I think that technique will work really well for me, so I'm going to give that a go in this video. So if you want to see me attempting to put on some eyelashes, keep watching. Right, so the first thing I need to do is I need to cut these up. So I am going to trim these down. I need to put them somewhere safe, so just bear with me. Right, I've got a Pandora box that can go in there. I am going to attempt, to cut these into, I think, let's have a look. I'm going to cut them into maybe 8 pieces. So let's just do that quickly. So I've cut up those eyelashes. Now it's time to put them on. The equipment you're going to need are some tweezers. Now these tweezers are used by eyelash technicians and they're extremely sharp, so be very, very careful if you're placing these near your eyes. You will need a pair of scissors if you're going to use this technique where you cut up eyelashes. You're going to need some eyelash... You're going to need some individual eyelash glue, which looks like this, and I've got a picture just here so you can have a look at that, and it's by Ardell. I would suggest that you pick a make that you have heard of before, like Ardell or Revlon. This is because it's glue and it's very strong and it's going near your eye. So eyelash glue, something to put your eyelash glue in. Now I'm going to use my disposable contact lens dish. I've cleaned it so that I can put my glue inside, and then once I've finished with it I will throw it straight into the bin. And I've got some individual eyelashes in case I want to pad out the eyelashes that I've got on. So these eyelashes that I've got on here are individual eyelashes, but you need to have the patience of a saint to stand there and attach them. I haven't, I've got 101 things to do, so I'm going to try to do this technique because it seems a lot quicker. Right, so I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to try out this eyelash technique. Right, so the first thing I will be doing, which I saw on the tutorial, is place the eyelash in the tweezer, and then I'm going to dip it in some glue, give it a minute to let it get very tacky, and again, it's clear glue so it doesn't show up on your eyelids, which is really good. Let's just give it a minute. Right, let's see if I can attach this. Don't know if I can do it on camera, I need a mirror. Happy with those. I will let you know how I get on with my lashes, and I'm going to try and keep these on for at least 2 weeks. So let's see how I get on with these. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on my review of these lashes. I really want to try and keep these lashes on for 2 weeks. So let's see if they last. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.